Hey guys, today we're gonna decorate our Christmas tree. Our theme this year is reusability and sustainability. We used our Christmas tree from last year, including the balls. We're gonna add some stencils, my stencils, which I use for sticking them into my art journal and painting them. But this time we're using it differently. I colored them with acrylic paint and glitter and attach a string on it. Let's start with the Christmas tree. I made these ribbons to add it to the Christmas tree. Now we're gonna hang these stencils. The next thing we need to do is find a place for the Christmas tree. Oh, this seems like a good place, but you have to remove the plants. Now it's time to assemble our Christmas tree on the plant stand. Oops, we forgot the little one. So these are the advent boxes that me and my brother's gonna open in December. On the next video, I'm gonna show you how to make these advent boxes. There we have it, our Christmas tree for this year. See you guys next time. Bye!